Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Daniel. We're really happy you're here with us today.
If you're listening right now, you're already doing something great for yourself.
Yes, you're choosing to improve your English. That's a big step.
Today's topic is very important for real life.
We're talking about small talk with friends.
Small talk is short conversation.
It's friendly,
It's natural.
and you use it every day without even thinking.
Many English learners feel scared of small talk.
They think, what should I say?
Or what if I say something wrong?
But small talk is not about being perfect.
It's about connection.
It's about comfort.
It's about sounding human. Think about your best friend.
When you talk to your friend, do you plan every sentence?
No, you just speak.
You relax.
That's what we want for you in English. Let's imagine a real situation.
You meet a friend after work,
Maybe outside an office.
maybe at a cafe.
You smile.
You say something simple.
Hey, Daniel, how are you?
Hey, Emily, I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, just a little tired today.
Yeah, same here. Work was busy.
That's small talk.
Very simple.
Very natural.
Small talk often starts with greetings.
Words like hey, hi, or hello.
Then you ask a light question.
Like, how are you?
Or, how's everything?
Let's practice that feeling again.
I'll start. Hi, Emily. How's everything going?
It's going well, just busy these days. Dizzy is a very common word.
Native speakers use it all the time.
You don't need to explain everything.
You can just say busy and smile.
Small talk also uses short answers.
You don't need long stories.
Short is good.
Short feels natural.
Now let's talk about everyday topics.
These topics are safe.
Weather is number one.
Everyone talks about the weather.
It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It feels too hot for me.
Same here. I miss the cool weather. You see how easy that is?
No stress.
No difficult grammar.
Another everyday topic is food.
Food is great for small talk.
Everyone eats.
Everyone has opinions. So, Daniel, did you eat out today?
Yes, I did. I had lunch near the office.
Oh, nice. What did you have?
Just a sandwich and coffee.
Just a sandwich.
Simple answer.
Natural English. Now let's slow down and focus on vocabulary.
These words appear again and again in small talk.
The first word is lately.
Lately means recently.
You can say, I've been tired lately.
Or I've been busy lately.
The second word is pretty.
Pretty means quite or a little.
You can say, I'm pretty tired.
Or it's pretty hot today.
The third word is same.
Same means you feel the same way.
You say, I'm tired.
You say, same.
Let's repeat these naturally.
I've been busy lately.
I've been busy lately.
It's pretty hot today.
It's pretty hot today.
Same here.
Same here. Great job.
Keep going. You're doing well.
Now let's practice questions and answers.
These are very common in small talk. How have you been lately?
I've been good, just busy with work.
Are you working today?
Yes, I am, but I'll relax later.
Do you like this weather?
It's okay, but I prefer cooler days. Now imagine someone asks you these questions.
You don't need perfect answers.
Simple is enough. Before we move on, remember this.
Small talk is a skill.
Skills grow with practice.
Every sentence you say makes you stronger.
In the next part,
We'll go deeper into real-life friend conversations.
longer chats.
More natural flow.
Stay with us.
You're doing great so far.
Welcome back. Let's continue our conversation.
Now we'll move from short small talk to longer friendly chat.
This is what happens after the first few sentences. Imagine you're sitting with a friend.
You already said hello.
Now the conversation continues naturally. So, Daniel, how's work going these days?
It's going okay. A bit stressful, but manageable.
I understand. Work can be stressful sometimes.
Yes, especially during busy weeks.
Notice something important here.
Emily didn't give advice.
I just showed understanding.
That's very natural in small talk.
You can say things like, I see,
or I understand.
Or that makes sense. Let's practice that feeling.
I'll say something, you respond. I've been feeling tired lately.
I understand. You've been working a lot. Now we talk about free time.
Friends love talking about free time.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
I usually relax at home and watch something.
That sounds nice. That sounds nice.
Very powerful sentence.
Use it often. Let's talk about weekends.
Another favorite topic.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really, I just want to rest.
That's a good plan. Simple agreement builds connection.
You don't need excitement all the time.
Now, let's review vocabulary again, naturally.
Repetition helps memory.
Stressful.
Stressful means something gives you pressure.
Work is stressful. Manageable.
Manageable means you can handle it.
It's stressful but manageable. Relax.
Relax means to rest your mind and body.
I relax at night. Let's repeat them in sentences.
Work is stressful sometimes,
Work is stressful sometimes,
but it's manageable.
but it's manageable.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening. Now comes question and answer practice again.
Answer simply. What do you do after work?
I usually go home and relax.
Are you busy these days?
Yes, pretty busy.
Do you enjoy your weekends?
Yes, I do. They help me recharge. You see?
Simple English is strong English.
Now, shadowing time again.
Listen and repeat with us.
How's work going?
How's work going?
That sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
I've been busy lately.
I've been busy lately.
Small talk helps you feel confident.
Confidence changes your voice.
Confidence makes English flow. In the final part,
We'll bring everything together.
and help you feel ready for real conversations. Welcome to the final part.
This is where everything connects.
Small talk is not just English practice.
It's life practice,
Let's do one full natural conversation.
like real friends talking.
Hey Daniel, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, just a bit tired. How about you?
Same here. Work was pretty busy.
Yeah, I feel that. Are you working tomorrow too?
Yes, but I'll finish early.
That's good. Any plans after work?
I might meet a friend or just relax.
That sounds nice. You deserve some rest.
That conversation is real English.
Nothing fancy.
Just human connection. Let's review key sentences one last time.
These are your tools.
How are you doing?
How have you been lately?
I've been busy lately.
That sounds nice.
Same here. Repeat them often.
Use them daily.
Now, one final shadowing round.
Speak with confidence.
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
I've been busy lately.
I've been busy lately.
That sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
You don't need perfect English.
You need real English.
And you're already learning it.
Be proud of yourself.
You showed up today.
That matters.
Keep practicing small talk.
It will change how you feel about English.
We're Emily,
And Daniel.
and we believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye.